Welcome to Art Magic.
Start by drawing two friendly honeybees. Begin with ovals for their bodies and add curvy lines to connect them. Then, give each bee a pair of wings by drawing two sets of delicate, curved lines. Don't forget to add cute faces with smiling eyes and a pair of antennae for that extra charm. Now, let's add some bee features. Draw stripes across their bodies using horizontal lines. Draw for the jar's body and add a lid on top. To make it look like it's brimming with honey, draw drips flowing down the sides of the jar. Make sure to leave enough space at the top for a cute label. Time to make that honey jar irresistible. Add details like honeycomb shapes on the label and some drips around the opening. You can even draw a few bees flying around the jar, eager to taste the golden goodness inside. Now, let's bring your drawing to life with vibrant colors. Use warm yellows and browns for the bees and the honey jar. Experiment with different shades to make your honeybees and jar as lively and sweet as can be. Give them 6 tiny legs and draw a sweet smile on their faces. Feel free to get creative with the patterns on their wings, making each bee unique and adorable. Feel free to add a bright blue sky or a lush green background to complete the scene. Congratulations! You've just created a buzzworthy masterpiece of 2 cheerful honeybees and a jar full of honey. Let your imagination run wild with colors and enjoy the sweetness of your creation. Happy drawing, little artists! Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.